it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a VR. This VR is for a really talented lady. Her name is Gabby, and I hope you guys will check her channel out. Her channel name is Mommy and Her 4 Little Ladies. Of course, I'm going to link everything down in the description box, but before I get started and show you what I created, I would love if you would please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So guys, this is the memory decks that I created for Gabby. Gabby wanted to name this little giveaway for the growth of her channel, which is doing really well. And if you guys don't know her, you gotta go by. It's called Girls Just Want to Have Fun in the Sun. And she asked for a memory deck that was summer themed, and she wanted 2 bag toppers. So this is the memory decks I created, and I think it's really adorable. This is my favorite, being summer is my favorite. I absolutely love the beach, I love sun, I love tanning. It may not be good for you, but I love it. And I love the ocean. So this is a seahorse piece of ephemera that I have, and I also added the Hello Summer, and you can see obviously I put the little pom-pom trim. This is a little dragonfly charm. So it's Hello Summer, and being that it's it's kind of like reminding me like a beach bag. That's how I wanted to design this one. So I put the gold bling to match there, added the little sunglasses that were die cutted out by my Cricut machine, and I put the pink glitter, which I thought made it look perfect in the middle. And then the flip-flops. And I did the contrasting papers, you guys can see there. And then when you flip it on over, I just have this adorable little pocket, and I put the bling, and I have a tag here, and I did put some of this trim, and my info's here. So that is my memory decks, and I hope Gabby likes it. And then I want to show you guys the bag toppers I created for her. I made her 2 of the same, and I think these are really adorable. These are obviously summer themed. My God, they're little lemons. I did put some white glitter on the white cardstock. And I found this on the Cricut Design Space. Somebody made a project like this. They used different paper, and I actually decided to add this embellishment, which was different because I had purchased these a while back at the Target dollar spot, and they're meant to go onto a straw so you could like mark your drink, like the wine charms, and easily with my pliers I was able to get this little piece off. That was what was on the back, so that you would like kind of put it on your straw as a glass marker. So I thought that was amazing, and I was lucky. I only had 2 left from the package. I can't remember how many it had, but I really like how these turned out. To package these guys up, I have here this large piece of plastic that I'm recycling, guys, and I'm gonna stitch this with my yellow thread here and make 2 different. I basically just place my bag topper in the plastic, and I kind of secure it with a glue dot that is a temporary and that you could easily pull off the bag topper and not ruin it. So guys, I'm just basically now stitching around each side. So now you see I'm left with my bag topper, guys, and it has the stitching all around, and all you need is to now add your own bag topper atop. So I'm gonna go clean this up, add my bag topper, and I'm gonna show you how both my 2 came out with their packaging. And this is how the packaging came out, guys. I absolutely love it. I used the golden and yellowish sticker from each pack, the flower and the butterfly. There was only 1 in each, so it worked perfect for this. So this is the bag topper, and you see my yellow stitching, and I think it looks great. I think it looks really cute, the contrasting colors, and this really matches that paper. And I was able to use up my scraps, guys. We always want to use those scraps up. And on this one, I didn't have enough to fold it over, so I used this paper that had the white, which was really matching the white in the lemon slice, and then I also was able to use the same sticker from the other kind of set with the flower versus the butterfly that matched this paper. So I thought these came out really cute. This is a good way to upcycle used packaging and make it into your own handmade cute item. Alright guys, that is it for today. That is what I created for Gabby. Let me know how you think I did. I really enjoyed this. I thought the lemons were super cute. I was excited to find that on the Cricut Design Space as a project, and I added the little bit of glitter. I made it my own. I didn't do it exactly. And then adding this little mason jar with the lemonade that I found at Target was key. I love those little things. They go on, they're supposed to go on your like straw or whatnot, and they have this added little plastic piece that I removed really simply with just a plier. So I really can't wait to get them. They probably won't be around. It's probably seasonal, but guys, that is a good embellishment for all your crafting projects. So as always, I hope you guys want to give this video a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.